Remember the old ways, how our fathers stood strong and true. Men who give their life if their king asked them to. They face whole armies with hearts bound to the throne. Their loyalty unbroken, their king never alone. Make us forget who we are. Our duty to our King is the guiding star. Remember the old ways, remember the call of Vanua divided will surely fall. If a new Vunivalu rises forever stay, let our strength stand firm and true. Nailagolaba, this call is to you. Learn from the priests of the land, they carried sacred pride. With honor and discipline, they walked side by side. They served their king with reverence every day. Ului Kuku, never turning from the ancient way. Roko Tambu Tambu should have been the closest to you. Dining from the same plate like brothers do. Should have made our stand. Rather than guiding and correcting, we left our king alone. Questioned his choices and weakened the throne. Remember the old ways, remember the call of Vanua divided will surely fall. If a new Vunivalu rises one day, may our hearts be tied to it and forever stay. Let our strength stand firm and true. Nailagolaba, this call is to you. Torah sat at the head, though their place was the door. The king's voice only, nothing more. They should have said, give it to the Kuirara to lead. We will support them in counsel, action, and deeds. The guard stood silent when disrespect filled the air. The shield of the land should have been there, but at his funeral, soldier stood tall in line. Where were those warriors while he was still alive? Remember the old ways, remember the call of Vanua divided surely fall. If a new Vunivalu rises one day, may our hearts be tied to it and forever strict rules held sway. The Baji stood guard and unity was shown. Where was that loyalty while he sat on the throne? Where was devotion while he still could see? Respect delayed is no respect to a king's dignity. Remember the old ways, remember the call of Vanua divided will surely fall. If a new Vunivalu rises one day, may our hearts be tied to it and forever stay. Let our strength stand firm and true. Nailagolaba, this call is to